Can you tell me what design patterns are in Java?
Design patterns are proven solutions to common software design problems. They help write scalable, maintainable code.
Are these language specific?
Not necessarily. They are more about object-oriented design principles, but Java uses them heavily.
Which categories of design patterns do you know?
There are three main categories: creational, structural, and behavioral patterns.
Let's start with creational. Can you name a few?
Sure: Singleton, factory method, abstract factory, builder, and prototype.
What's the purpose of the Singleton pattern?
To ensure a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it.
Where would you use Singleton in a real-world Java app?
For things like logging, database connections, or configuration managers, where a single shared resource is needed.
What's the factory method pattern?
It's a creational pattern that defines an interface for creating an object, but lets subclasses decide which class to instantiate.
And how is it different from abstract factory?
Abstract factory returns families of related objects, while factory method returns a single object.
Have you used builder pattern before?
Yes, especially when creating complex objects step by step, like building a custom request in an HTTP client.
Let's talk structural patterns now. Can you name some?
Adapter, decorator, proxy, facade, bridge, and composite are popular structural patterns.
What's the decorator pattern used for?
It allows behavior to be added to an individual object dynamically, without affecting other instances.
Can you give a Java example?
Java I/O classes, like buffered reader wrapping file reader, is a classic decorator implementation.
Nice. What about the adapter pattern?
Adapter allows incompatible interfaces to work together by wrapping one class with an interface the client expects.
Where have you used it?
While integrating third-party libraries, where their interface didn't match our internal code expectations.
Can you explain the facade pattern?
It provides a simplified interface to a complex subsystem, helpful in reducing dependencies between layers.
Let's move to behavioral patterns. Any examples?
Yes: strategy, observer, command, state, template method, and chain of responsibility.
Explain the strategy pattern.
It defines a family of algorithms and makes them interchangeable at runtime, useful for behavior switching.
Real-world use case?
Payment processing, where different payment strategies, like credit card or PayPal, can be swapped easily.
How does observer pattern work?
An object, called the subject, maintains a list of dependents, observers, and notifies them of state changes.
Java example for that?
Java's java.util, observer and observable, or in event-driven UIs like swing listeners.
What's the command pattern used for?
It turns a request into a standalone object containing all information about the request, often used for undo or redo operations.
Have you worked with template method?
Yes, it lets subclasses redefine parts of an algorithm without changing its structure, common in abstract base classes.
Can you mix patterns in a project?
Absolutely. Real-world apps often use multiple patterns together, for example, builder plus strategy plus singleton.
What's your approach to choosing the right pattern?
I focus on the problem first, then look at design intent. Overusing patterns can lead to unnecessary complexity.
Ever faced a case where using a pattern made things worse?
Yes, once we forced a singleton where scoped instances made more sense. It made unit testing harder.
Good point. So how do you test pattern-heavy code?
With mocking frameworks like Mockito, and by focusing on interfaces, not concrete classes.
Do you think understanding design patterns makes a better developer?
Definitely. It gives you a vocabulary to talk about solutions and helps you write more extensible code.
Great. Any final thought on design patterns in Java?
They are tools, not rules. Use them when they clarify design, not just because they sound clever.
Thanks for your insights. This was a solid conversation.
Thank you. I enjoyed discussing it.